just to check on the progress of our programs. Today, we had the National Steering Management Committee, which is a committee meant to represent the interests of the National Executive Committee, and the Deputy President chaired the session. We looked into issues of our level of preparedness on the forthcoming general elections. We have discussed in depth the acquisition of the gadgets that we are going to use in the 27,450 polling stations. Again, we've also discussed in depth how we're going to prepare a training manual so that in the subsequent days, we are going to train our TOTs to ensure that all our counties and our sub-counties have got TOTs who are going to disseminate relevant information to our membership down in the grassroots to ensure that they have the right information as pertains to the forthcoming general elections. Third, we've also looked into a general budget of the elections, but that is work in progress. And we've also agreed that in our next meeting, we're going to come up with a proper plan that we're going to publish in our dailies to ensure that our members know exactly what we are doing here at the Secretariat. Otherwise, we want to say that the party is focused and determined to do the grassroots elections. Our focus is to have grassroots support and grassroots representation at every polling center in this country. So far, we've been able to do a good software that is going to run through the elections in terms of communication, not only communicating information in terms of news, but also relaying results all the way from the polling center to the Secretariat. We have devised a mechanism whereby results will be known 5 minutes after close of polling centers. So it's going to be a transparent system that is verifiable. People will be able to verify, to know how they voted, and we want to assure our membership that we are well prepared for the forthcoming general elections.